Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So Bounty Killer big up Popcaan and say him are the best artist in Jamaica so far. So let's get into this video. At this moment, first place goes to Popcaan Music, him still a win. Trailblazing it for Jamaica's music, dancehall and reggae, the leading man right now. We salute the good ones and rebuke the gogs ones. Guan youth, we all should be proud of the journey. Sky have no limit. Supernova outer space, and then input pound face, input pound emoji, super kid, unruly entertainment. All who no like that go take on medication and fix up on meditation. And then Popcaan replied by saying them can't hide the truth. Hashtag it real, me general. And a lot of people have a lot to say. People are saying that the only reason why Bounty is saying this is because him and Mavad are not on good terms, and people used to call Mavad a groupie when he pose up with the hip-hop artists them and all. Like, people have a lot to say. You know, Jamaican people stay them very opinionated, and that's how you go. And he say some people are saying people have it for hate Popcaan, the credit he deserves. Who remember Vada used to pose with the rappers them? Killa and Popcaan them used to call him rapper groupie. It's funny how when the shoes is on the other foot, perspective change. It's true, he has the most global impact of any dancehall artist right now, whether you like him or not. It's facts. So when they say, how him are the #1 entertainer in Jamaica when Sean Paul still outsell him with him new music. On no rate Sean Paul, I swear. Look pan all Sean video views and chart stats of new music compared with Poppy. Respect Poppy, but feel say on no rate that the legend they and are still a mash down Billboard chart. Somebody say I feel like the only reason why Killa is saying this is because him and Vado in a things. This is history repeating itself ever so often. Almost every artist that Bounty boss him and them follow till him do poly tricks shit just to ride the wave. Tag me with caution. Nobody no validation from Dinosaur still. And then somebody comment say he's the #1 in Jamaica. We all know that, but Alkaline is the #1 in more than Jamaica. And a lot of people have a lot to say. A lot of other artists to put in the top as far as dancehall music is concerned. Some people are say Alkaline. Some people are say Raging King. Some people are say TJ. The list goes on and on. Who do you think is the #1 artist in Jamaica right now? Honestly, I feel like Poppy is the #1 artist in Jamaica. Minus Sean Paul and Shaggy and all of them. Popcaan is the next big thing. Why I think so? Because look at his sold out tours in London. This man sell out one whole arena by himself, headlining a tour. So you have to give him props where props is due. Big up to Poppy. Enough people don't like to give Poppy credit. And another thing I wanted to put in here was when Vybz Kartel shout him out recently when him and Meek Mill's link up. Okay, and this is on Vybz Kartel verified account, his verified Instagram page. Okay, and Vybz Kartel said, I haven't seen Kings link up like this since Mansa Musa pilgrimage at Meek Mill's and Popcaan Music. Hashtag dancer, hashtag hip hop, hashtag calypso, hashtag Afrobeat Black Unity. Honestly, a lot of people were saying that Vybz Kartel and Poppy in a some mix up and they're not really cool. But as you can see, Popcaan is Vybz Kartel is giving Poppy his props and giving him love and support. So all of who that had negative stuff to say about Popcaan and how him no go look for Addy from him go jail and all these things, as you can see from social media, Poppy and Vybz Kartel have no beef whatsoever. And Popcaan even went underneath that post and was talking. So What are your thoughts on in the comment section? Do you think Papi is the #1 dancehall artist? Why do you think he's the #1 artist? And who do you think is the #1 artist if it's not Popcaan? And what do you think about people were saying Papi and Vybz Kartel had beef? What are your thoughts on that? Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.